This is a final video to fix the Hisense washing machine F22 error and finally restore your spin cycle. Are you facing this exact problem where your machine stops and shows this annoying code on the screen? This error happens because the door lock or the main control board fails to talk to each other correctly. Most solutions you find on YouTube or social media are very confusing and they take too much time to follow. Here at Rexis, we make things easy for you today. There are 4 proven methods to fix this problem right now, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you, even if the problem seems very critical. You should pause this video and try these methods one by one, or take screenshots of what you see. I will not explain the steps here, but they are the best ways to get your laundry done again. These 4 secret ways fix the connection inside the machine, so it starts spinning again without any issues. Keep your eyes on the screen, and follow the method steps one by one, as they show up to get your Hisense machine back to work.